Alright guys, this is a quick one on old coin. Alright, I shared this with us a few days ago and I've been able to run a video on it. So this is a simple test on how you can farm effectively on old coin. You see those coins dropping, but they are not adding up to your account. Alright, now this is your location that you're going to be mining. Okay, so you can increase it by using your booster to upgrade them. All right, so what you do here in order for you to mine is not tapping. If you see, if I'm tapping right now, but there's no effect. So what you need to do is to hold down this place. You see this hold with red indication there. You just place your hand there. Don't tap this hold, don't tap it. You're not doing yourself good by tapping it like this. You see, everything has disappeared. Okay, you're not tapping it. What you do is just hold it down. Okay, so if the coin is coming, they will just be that is just like a magnet. Okay, you just be dragging all of those coins down to you, and you can see the coin your allocation is dropping, is reducing gradually. Are you seeing it? So that's how you farm here. Okay, you can increase your allocation by upgrading using the boosters. All right, now by the time I exhaust this current allocation, I can go and get full energy. Okay, to get my full energy, I will click on booster here. All right, on that booster will get more, you see, full energy. All right, now just by the name you will know that this one will increase or will fill up your allocation. Right, so then this one is a coin storm. This coin storm will give you more coins, just like we have it on TapSwap, another platform. All right, so I want to use this now so you can see the effect. First, you need to tap on your full energy. Okay, the second one, you claim some coin storm. All right, now when I go back now, you find out that this place has filled up again. Okay, so what I will do now is to hold this button down. Now the storm I just claimed is about to approach. Are you seeing it? See the difference between the storm and the normal farming? All right, this one is giving me plus 16, while the previous one is just plus 8. Okay, exploration is plus 8, so that's a storm coin. All right, so another thing here on this particular project is that you can as well mine by increasing your speed per hour. All right, now on top there you can see 1.5 million coin. All right, this is 1.5 million coin currently, and here this is my mining speed, my personal mining speed. Why this one is my friend's mining speed, the ones I got from my friend's mining speed. Why this is the total. Now the total is addition of this plus this. All right, when you add my mine speed and the friend's mine speed together, it gives you this total. Are you getting it? So you have to upgrade those things. So for you to upgrade, you click on this mine that has this hash here. Now you click on it. So when you click on it, you'll be able to buy different cards, just as we have it on other platforms like Amstar, Gems, and Simple. All right, I will do a video shortly on Simple as well, so that you guys can also follow up. Now what you do here is that you need to upgrade all of this card. If you start new, most of those cards are locked, so you start buying the ones that are open. Buy them to level 5. All right, now it will keep opening the previous ones, the next ones. Okay, so some requirements are tied to the previous card, that you should upgrade the previous card to level something. So you upgrade by just tapping on it. All right, you click on go ahead. Okay, are you seeing it? So you click go ahead, all right, you click go ahead. Every purchase you made increase your hourly earning. All right, every purchase you made increase your hourly earning. I believe with time they are going to introduce their own combo. So right now that this old coin has not gone viral, as it should, because it got the potential. Oh my goodness, I just upgraded something with 1 point something million. That's crazy, man. I shouldn't have done that. My balance is gone. But nevertheless, I still have 89. I have 89,000 per hour. All right. Let me refresh the system so you can get the latest. Are you seeing it? I have currently 89,000 per hour. My friends are 18.5. So you guys have not done any upgrade. If my personal one is higher than you, total of you guys, that means you guys are not doing anything. So totally now I'm getting 100 or something thousand per hour. Are you seeing it, guys? So you need to master upgrade. Don't keep your coins, don't stack them yet. Upgrade so that you can earn more per hour. Alright, so another thing you need to do here is that you need to connect your wallet. As you can see, I'm connected already. So connect your wallet. You click on it. Alright, then you see a connect button here. Mine now you see disconnect. So click on the connect. You can use Tonkeeper, or you can use the inbuilt Telegram wallet. So there's also a daily reward. You click on this daily reward and you claim your reward. Alright, if you're on Premium, you can claim this, but right now I'm not on Premium. Alright, so I'll claim this one, but you need to invite 5 users to receive the Premium reward. So I have more than 5 users, but they are not Premium. Are you getting it? So I'll just collect my 5k points daily. Alright, so basically that's what you'll be doing every day. Okay, so what else do you need to do? Is to invite your friends. You can also connect through the end. Alright, I've done most of all those tasks, so you can also do it to earn some more coins. Alright, invite your friends. Okay, invite your friends, you earn more as well. Alright, so guys, this is what we have for old coin. Alright, keep holding those coins so that you can get more coins. Alright, like just as I'm doing it right now. Alright, so I'll be holding it until my allocation is exhausted. Alright, so like I said, you can increase your allocations by clicking on the boost, and this multiple value we add to the tab. Alright, energy limit, this will increase your allocation. This will increase your flip rate. Okay, the flip rate is that when you click on that hold, how fast those coins are getting into the magnet are holding those things. So that's those coins. That's the flip rate. Alright, so you can increase it. You can see I'm currently on level 8, and level 7 on this one. So let me take it to level 8 as well. This last one, let's go level 8. Are you seeing it? So they are all in level 8 right now. So guys, that's what you need to do on Horde coin. Okay, so guys, that's that for this. All right, bye bye.